Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create a program in which a user will enter a number, a year, and we will check whether that year is a leap year or not. Now, leap year is a year which is divisible by 4, but there are some exceptions. If a year is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 100, then it must be divisible by 400 to be a leap year. So, for example, if a year is 2016 and it is divisible by 4, so this is a leap year. I'm writing here to just explain, because 2016 is divisible by 4 and remainder is 0. Now let's see, 2100 is divisible by 4, but it is also divisible by 100. So if a year is divisible by 4 and it is also divisible by 100, then we have to check whether it is divisible by 400 or not. So since this year 2100 is divisible by 4, divisible by 100, but not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. 2400 on the other hand is a leap year because it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 100, and it is divisible by 400. So these are the cases that we are going to cover in this program today. You can also check the definition of leap year on Google if you want to. So let's read this and let's write the program. So first of all, I'm going to create an integer variable and I'm going to name it year. I want to get the input from the user. So for that, we'll be using scanf, and the name of the variable with address operator will be specified in scanf. After that, we have to check whether the year is divisible by 4, and to check whether a number is divisible by any other number, we use remainder operator. So year mod 4 is equal to 0 is used to check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. So now we have to check this. So let's check first. If the number is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. But if the number is not divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. So first we'll go into the else part and we'll print not a leap year. So if a year is not divisible by 4, then not a leap year message will be printed. Now we'll go to that if block again, and I told you the definition that if a year is only divisible by 4, it is a leap year. But if it is divisible by 100, then we also have to check it for 400. So now I'm going to write the condition for 100. If year mod 4 is if year mod 100 is equal to 0, then we have to check it for 400. But if year mod 100 is not equal to 0, it is only divisible by 4 but not by 100. In that case, we are going to do printf leap year. So we have covered two cases here. If year is not divisible by 4, we have done it here in this line, line number 19, that it will be not a leap year. And we have also covered the case where a year is only divisible by 4. In that case, we have printed leap year in line number 14. So far so good. Now we have to check whether a year is divisible by 400 or not. So if a year is divisible by 100, it should also be divisible by 400 to make it a leap year. And we are going to do it by specifying the condition here. So if year mod 400 is equal to 0, then it's a leap year. So we are going to write leap year here. But if the year is divisible by 4, divisible by 100, but not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. So we are going to print the message here, not. So we have covered all the conditions in this program, and now we are going to execute the program to check whether it is working correctly or not. So first, let's check whether 1997 is a leap year or not. So the output here should be not a leap year, and the output here is not a leap year. It means that this case has been covered correctly. Now let's see whether 2016 is a leap year or not. So it is a leap year because it was a leap year. So let's check whether our program is showing the message correctly or not. And yes, it is displaying the message correctly. So two cases has been covered. The first one, not a leap year. The second one, if a year is only divisible by 4, it should display leap year. Now we are going to check whether it is working fine for 100 divisible by 100 case. So for that I'm going to enter a number 2100, and in this case the output should be not a leap year because 2100 is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 100, but it is not divisible by 400. So let's check this, not a leap year, and it is also working fine. And the last one is going to be 2400 or 2000. So 2000 is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 100, and it is also divisible by 400. So in this case the output should be leap year, and it is working perfectly fine. So this is how we have created the program. I hope that you have understood the concept. If you have liked the video, please click on that thumbs up button, and please subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon to never miss another update. Thank you so much.